Big Daddy smokes. We picked these up at Heartland Fireworks. We're gonna light them one at a time and see how they work. See how good they are. So we got the orange one.
Okay.
Okay.
Orange too, but it's got green smoke.
So I'm assuming this is pink or purple. Oh no, it's supposed to be purple right here. Okay.
That's cool.
We got green. Turns orange in my lap. I think they mislabeled
I think
the
they
orange
missed,
one.
yeah.
That's all right, guys. They're still cool. All right, we got purple.
Oh, now it turned orange. What the heck? That's so weird. Okay. Purple's yellow.
Okay, now I got yellow. They're all that. They're turning. I think they changed colors. Yeah, they're 6-piece color change.
Oh, okay.
So they change colors. Here's our blue. Okay.
That's cool. That's cool. Ooh, I like that blue coming out of the yellow one. That blue coming out of the yellow is nice.
Oh, that is a pretty blue. They go for a while, honestly. It's not terrible. Oh, we're almost done, baby girl. Oh my God. Okay. All right, so that was Big Daddy Smokes 6-piece color change. Okay. So now we're gonna do these quick smoke bombs. We got pink to blue smoke bombs by Winda. Then we got yellow to purple by Miracle Fireworks. Purple to blue by Winda Fireworks. Wow, that is very vibrant. That's a very vibrant purple. Or pink, my bad. Okay. Starting to do something. It almost looks orange right at the where it comes out. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I think it's orange and red mixing to make pink. There goes purple. Oh, that's sick. It turned to purple, then back to blue. Yeah, that thing's going for a while. Oh, smoke. About a minute and a half. Okay, now we got yellow to pink by Miracle Fireworks. my iPad is now really working. That's cool. That's a really bright purple, sort of. Is it turning green? No, it's turning black and green. Is it trying to turn purple? Dang, that's sick. That's neat. I know they heard that. That was loud. That's a cool
Juicy.
purple. Man, they make smoke bombs go forever, don't they? It's still cool though. All right, so that's our smoke bombs for you guys. We're gonna do this real quick and then we're gonna move on to another segment. So this is Strike Force right here. I think it's made by Miracle Fireworks. I'm not really sure, so or Monkey Mania, one of them. We're gonna try it out. Let's go. Boom. All right, guys, so like and subscribe to H&S Pyro Fever. We'll talk to you later.